Hey everyone, if you're looking out for a universal game controller, then you're at the right spot. In this video, I'm going to unbox a universal game controller from the brand Evofox. Before heading forward, if you are enjoying our videos and haven't subscribed to VGS World yet, I request you to do it now and support our channel. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. This is an universal game controller from the brand Evofox, and the model is Evofox 1 Universal Gamepad. Inside the box, we get a game controller along with that a charging cable which is of USB-C type, and a couple of user manuals and guides which will be help in pairing this controller with different kinds of devices. We get a mounting stand along with this controller inside the box, which will be very helpful in mounting your mobile devices, whether it may be an iPhone or Android mobile. MRP of this game controller is 3500 rupees, but quite often you will find it on discount for around 2800 rupees on different e-commerce platforms such as Flipkart or Amazon. And I am glad it comes with a charging cable which is USB-C type, and it has got built-in lithium-ion battery so that there is no hassle of replacing the batteries. It gives you a good battery backup of around 8 hours. So if you are a hardcore gamer, then definitely you need to consider this one. And it supports Bluetooth 5.0, so there is no hassle in finding out that external dongle you always lose every time when you're shifting between devices. Hence, this is a universal gamepad. It supports all sorts of major platforms, OS platforms right now. Android TV, Apple TV, or if you want to consider it for playing games on mobile devices, then it supports Android mobile phones, iPhones, or Android tablets and iPad as well. So the support is there for all kinds of devices. You name it, it supports it. Once you open the box and get your hands on this controller, you will instantly feel the great build quality along with the eye-catchy design. Tactile feedback from the buttons on this controller will enhance the experience of your gameplay. Along with it, vibration motor which comes with this controller is excellent and does the job perfectly. In my case, I am presenting this to my nephew for his birthday, so definitely he's going to like this product. I'm sure about it. Even if you want to grab this product or if you want to gift this product to someone, I'll leave the links in the description below. You can use our affiliate link to grab one for yourself, so that it will be very helpful for our channel. So keep watching VGS World. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.